Apply toothpaste to your feet. No need to overspend on a pedicure. Create an amazing foot treatment right at home. Spread a thin layer of toothpaste over your entire feet. Toothpaste not only refreshes the skin, but also helps remove impurities and soften rough skin. Then, lightly sprinkle some baking soda on your feet, which acts as a natural exfoliant, helping remove dead skin cells and smoothen the surface. Next, squeeze juice from half a lemon and gently massage it onto your feet. Lemon juice has brightening, exfoliating, and antibacterial properties. After spreading all the ingredients, massage your feet for 5 minutes, focusing on dry areas. This massage will boost circulation, adding an extra layer of relaxation. Finally, rinse your feet with lukewarm water. This treatment will leave your feet feeling fresh, smooth, and soft, as if you just visited an expensive salon. Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger. Put pineapple in foot bath. That's what rich people do. The effects are better than at a beautician's. Take 1 pineapple and peel it. Cut slices with a knife. Pineapple is used in cosmetics. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Then, cut the fruit into pieces. In cosmetics with its ingredients, you'll find it under the name bromelain. Pineapple fruit is a great exfoliating ingredient. Put it in a blender and cover with water. Then, blend it into a pulp. Put pineapple peels in a pot. Cover with water. Add a handful of cloves. They have anti-wrinkle properties. They help stimulate circulation. Then add a few bay leaves. Another ingredient is Epsom salt. It owes its valuable properties to the magnesium and sulfur ions it contains. Cut a lemon in half and add it to the pot. Mix everything and heat over medium heat. After 15 minutes, let it cool down. Pour the resulting essence into a bowl. Also add pineapple with water. Then, put your feet in it. Such a bath is pleasant and has a brilliant effect. It helps exfoliate the skin and has antibacterial properties. It helps reduce swelling of the feet. It helps get rid of ingrown nails and inflammations. The skin is soft and refreshed without using a pumice stone. Using a simple candle, I got rid of cracked heels. This inexpensive method works like a treatment at a beautician's. You can do it at home for less than $1. Cracked and dry skin on the feet is a problem for many people. It turns out that all you need is a regular candle. I had a white one, cylindrical in shape, made of paraffin. I also prepared a small bowl. Using a knife, I cut the candle into small flakes. Paraffin has a long tradition of use in cosmetics. It moisturizes the skin and helps the epidermis retain water. Paraffin makes the skin more elastic, smooth, and moisturized. Into the bowl with paraffin shavings, I added half a cup of olive oil. It is one of the best cosmetics nature has given us. Oleic acid, the main fatty component of olive oil, creates a protective layer on the skin's surface, retaining water and preventing its loss. As a result, the skin becomes more elastic, soft, and smooth. Prepare a heat-proof container. It should be larger than the bowl. Pour boiling water into it. Then, place the bowl in the container. In a water bath, melt the paraffin with olive oil. Mix them together to form a homogeneous mass. After a few minutes, this homemade cosmetic will be ready. Remove it from the water and let it cool down. Wash your feet and apply the paraffin mask. Apply a thick layer to the areas where the skin is cracked or calloused. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the mixture softens the skin. Then, rinse with warm water. Do this with circular motions. This massage additionally improves circulation in the skin of the feet. This treatment makes your feet as soft as a baby's. They will be moisturized and nourished. The skin will retain water better and will not crack. I attach the thinly spread pad to my foot. It's a great substitute for a foot file. If you have a problem with thick, cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. Although it looks strange, its effectiveness is fantastic. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular pad and a paste that you can make at home. Into a bowl, I squeeze toothpaste. Most people don't know that it has a brilliant effect on the skin. It has exfoliating properties. It gently removes dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Next, I add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the consistency of the paste. Additionally, it has antibacterial properties. It calms inflammation. Baking soda also has a softening effect on the skin. It enhances the action of the paste. I apply the prepared paste onto a regular pad. I don't skimp and apply a really thick layer. Then I place a clean foot on top of it. It's important that the heel doesn't protrude. I secure this compress with a sock. It presses the paste onto the leg perfectly and prevents it from shifting. We leave it on for 2 hours. After that time, we remove the sock and wash our feet with lukewarm water. Gently massage in circular motions. I repeat this procedure once a week. Cracks and fungal infections will disappear, and the feet are as soft as a baby's. Don't overpay for a pedicure at a beauty salon. This simple trick from our grandmothers softens foot skin without a foot file. Prepare 2 drawstring bags, ensuring they are large enough for your feet. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each bag. Acetic acid helps regulate the pH of the foot skin and has antifungal properties. It also helps eliminate pathogens that can cause yellowing of the nails or cracked, discolored skin. Insert your feet into the bags and add half a cup of warm water to each bag. Keep your feet in them for at least 20 minutes. Vinegar is also excellent prevention for those dealing with corns and warts. Additionally, it helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Regular baths curb foot perspiration. Acetic acid acts like a treatment at a cosmetologist's. It softens calloused skin on the heels and bunions. Without using a drill or file, you'll get rid of tough skin. Your feet will be soft and firm. Repeat the process daily until the issues disappear. It's the best natural solution for common problems.